Welcome back. The current bull market in stocks is the longest period of uninterrupted gains in American history. But investors wonder, is this a boom or just a bubble? Well, Fain, president of Asset Planning Corporation, joins us to look at stock market cycles with your Sunday money. Now, Paul, the first question is, when exactly did this bull market officially begin? Because it's been a while.
Right, exactly. Almost a decade. So it's kind of in the ashes of the Great Recession around March 9th, 2009 when this period of, like you said, uninterrupted market gains began. So in other words, there's not been any, perilous fall of any extended period. The previous bull run was in the 1990s during the technology boom. So this has been quite extraordinary. Slow, consistent, steady growth. The Dow Jones Industrial Average went from 6,500 in 2009 to almost 26,000 last week.
But this hasn't been perfect. There have been some scares along the way.
There has been. Yeah, a lot of panics. So Treasury bonds were downgraded in their credit rating in 2011. We know Britain's wants to pull out of the Eurozone. Brexit, it's called, caused a lot of fear and panic. The Chinese economy's been slowing. Oil prices a couple years ago, died from $100 a barrel to $30 a barrel. So, yeah, there's been a lot of concern.
Now, I like this. One analyst actually called this the most hated bull market ever. What was he talking about?
If we're making money, why is everybody so upset? Well, it's this pessimism that the other shoe's about to drop, even 10 years later, that kind of keeps the bubble from getting too inflated and bursting. So there's just always this fear that something's going to happen. Trade wars, inflation. I've gotten a few calls in the last month. Will the president be impeached, and how will that affect the stock market? So that fear actually kind of helps extend the bull market.
Now, this market in particular, is it showing any signs of old age?
There's an old saying, Leslie, that bull markets don't die of old age, they end in recession. So I think the underlying question is, are we, on the tipping point of a recession? Most signs indicate that we're not. Unemployment's low, corporate taxes are down, corporate profits are up. Last quarter, the second quarter of this year, was the strongest quarter in years. So we're kind of marching along. So expect volatility. As soon as I say the market will go up, of course, it will go down. But things seem to be pretty stable right now.
People feel pretty good.
Yeah.
Anything else we should know to be prepared?
Well, I like the slow and steady path anyway. So, there's always going to be something going on. There's always going to be something negative going on. So stick to your guns.
That sounds like good advice. We'll
Hope
send in
so.
things outside to the weather porch where we're